So we have a box and a box. Back in styrofoam. We have a bunch of manuals and quick start guides. You can see how it's packed. There's foam in here in the handles, which I'm going to pull out so I can get it out. And there's a nice bag of accessories over here. And now I'm going to put the camera down for a minute while I try to lift this thing out. Or I'm going to drop it on the floor. That works too. Okay, here it is outside of the box. I bought this because it's only 60 pounds. It's heavy, and I don't think I'd want to move it around if I don't have to. I did buy the cart so that I can roll it around. But I bought this because it was 20 pounds lighter than most of the other units in this size. And since it's going to power the house, it's going down to the basement. So if I ever have to move it up and down the stairs, you know, I can, even though I probably don't want to. But yeah, I'm happy with that for the weight. But yeah, I'm going to plug it in, charge it, and then we'll see what it can do. In terms of the contents of the little pouch, it has the pretty standard AC charging cable to the IEC. It's the one that has the curved things. I think of this as a computer power cable, but you know, it's the 13 amp one, and it has an MC4 to XT60, so you can hook up the solar panels. And this is, what wire gauge are you? 12 gauge wire, so that's better than the ones that I have currently. So